Welcome to Professional Engineering Group. We are the leading name in the field of dust collection systems and have vast experience of the same. The dust collection plays a substantial role in the manufacturing sector all around the world. We are proud to present a range of products, systems for dust collection as per your requirement. We provide quality service to the industries like jewelry manufacturing, diamond cutting and polishing, mining, cement industries, chemical, electrical and electronic industries, to name few. The first among them is a single station polishing machine with dust collector. Let us know in detail about it. This is a single station polishing machine with dust collector. It is dynamically designed in sturdy material. Bench polishing motor is installed on strong wooden laminated top with locking drawer. Strong suction motor with acrylic hood tapered support is provided for greater suction. Polarized light with toggle switch is placed on the hood with handrest for better grip. Separate on-off switch for both the motors is provided for safety. The technical specification of this machine is suction motor half HP 440 volts, bench polisher 3/4 HP 440 volts, sound level of machine 65 decibels approximately. The suction CFM 250. It is also available in single phase 220 volts. The size of the machine is 28 inches in length, 25 inches in width and 48 inches in height. This machine is very space saving and fits in any small corner. Now let us understand the installation procedure. While installing the machine, please follow these guidelines. Do not lift the machine from wooden platform. The machine should be lifted from bottom. Electric points should be made before installation. Install 6 ampere 3-phase as source of supply for suction motor. Install 15 ampere single phase 220 volts switch as source of supply for bench polisher motor. Ensure that the earthing wire is properly grounded. Ensure that 3-phase wiring connection is properly fitted before starting the machine. The polishing motor, which is fitted on the top of wooden platform, should rotate inwards anti-clockwise so that the dust fall on the suction jali. You may interchange 2 phases in case if it moves outward. This is applicable only for the 3-phase machine. There should not be any vibration in the machine while running. Sound level of machine very silent, approximately 65 decibels. Use the anemometer for checking the suction. It should be 200 to 250 CFM. This machine is available in single phase or 3 phases and also available in acrylic hood or MS powder coated hood. After the installation procedure, let's know about the parts of the machine in detail. Wooden laminated top. Wooden formica top to reduce the vibration in the machine. MS or acrylic hood is provided on the wooden top. MS or acrylic hood to ensure proper suction with glass frame to see the product clearly while polishing. On-off switch of motor. This is an on-off switch for the motor.
Suction jali.
Provided with frame which fits perfectly in the hood needs to be kept clean always. Handrest. Armrest for the operator to make the machine worker friendly for better performance. Suction motor. Half HP suction motor with blower moving in the clockwise direction. Dust collection suction switch. Rotary switch for switching the suction on and off. Vacuum filter. 10 pocket filter assembly for collecting dust. Vacuum filter chambers. This is the path from where the dust travels to the filter assembly. Drawer. To keep the consumables, provide with lock. Paddle. This SS paddle is provided for cleaning the filters. Footrest for resting the operator's foot. Rubber buffers to avoid any vibration in the machines. For the uninterrupted use of machine, proper and regular maintenance is important and necessary. So, here are the tips for the maintenance. Keep the
Suction jali.
in the acrylic hood always clean. Ensure that no tools, job piece, thread of the buff, etc. kept
On suction jali.
Keep the filters clean. By paddling 4 times in a day for at least 2 minutes of movement on the paddle is necessary, while machine should be off. Filters should be cleaned every 15 days for 8-hour working per day. Cloth filter has to be replaced after every 8 to 10 months for better suction and recovery. Filter can be vacuum cleaned from both the sides instead of removing. Keep the filter chambers properly tight locked with 4 bolts so that the dust does not fly off and for better suction. Clean the filters with vacuum cleaner after every 25 days of working. Vacuum clean the filters thoroughly for better suction. Replace them when suction of the machine reduces. Keep the filter chambers properly tight locked from outside with 4 bolts so that the dust does not fly off and for better suction. Our products are designed after detailed analysis and studies. We guarantee the collection of 95 to 98% of dust which is generated during the manufacturing processes and a minimal breakdown about 2% of our system. At Professional Engineering Group, we believe in great quality control and therefore each stage of manufacturing is strictly tested and then approved. We believe in mouth-to-mouth publicity and long-lasting relationships with our customers. For any further inquiries, please contact Professional Engineering Group